is Senville. This is an 18,000 BTU system and two 9,000 BTU heads. Okay. All right, so we got a power disconnect here. We go on and off, so that's off. First thing I did was I went in here and I turned off the heat pump breaker right here, double pole breaker. Okay, that's off. It's been 3 years since this was cleaned. We get a lot of rain here. This is up off the ground. I mounted it just to keep it away from the lawnmowers and all that sort of stuff. But it's a pretty wet climate. That's why we get all this, see all the mildew and stuff on it. Okay. And there's the routing. See, that one there goes to the bedroom. And this one goes up and it goes through the attic and it goes down into that wall in the living room. So, yeah, I can see most of the coil here. It doesn't look bad, but we're going to clean it. I guess the way to get to the, if I took the top off, do I have any better access? Okay. All right. Let's take a look in here. Yeah, the coil doesn't look bad at all. It only goes that far. So maybe I can clean it from the, just in here. I thought the coil might have gone farther than there, but that's as far as it goes. And not too bad in there. Yeah. Okay. All right. Power's off. All right, let's take a look here. All right, I'm gonna spray it with that foam. Okay, so here's the stuff I'm using. Air conditioner, coil, foaming cleaner. This one's by AC Safe. There's a number of manufacturers that make this stuff. You can use it on little window air conditioners. You can use it on this stuff. It doesn't look really bad. It's quite clean actually, despite this being the first time I've been in there. Now it's going to be both sides of those fans. So let's see if we can spray the backs of those blades too. Okay, I think it's clean. I'm going to put the cover on it, and I'm going to put that grill back on the front, and we're going to leave that just drip for a day, and I won't even try and start this until tomorrow, but I think it's going to be fine. Okay, so it's the next morning, and all that has dripped through, and we're going to start it up. All right, so there's a couple things I've got to do. Is I'm going to turn this on here, and then I've got also the breakers off inside. So I'm going to go in and turn on the breaker, and then we're going to start it, and then we're going to come out and see it running. Okay, heat pump, this one here. Turn that on. And we've got Chevy. Hi buddy, you having your morning snooze? What a good guy. Yeah, we got it all done. We're gonna try it. We're gonna turn it on and see how it works, buddy. Okay? Huh? That's a good guy. It's on cooling mode. And here's the other one in the other room. That's in cooling mode as well, and that's working. Let's go outside and take a look at the outside unit. There we are. Looks good. And that's how that was done. Thanks for watching. Put your comments down below. Thumbs up if you like, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And we'll see you again here very soon on Everyday Projects. Bye for now.